Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix no internet connection in TikTok. So first thing that you will do is first go to Google Play Store, and from here just tap on the search icon at the middle at the bottom and search for TikTok at the top. And from here guys, for the first solution is make sure you are running the latest version of TikTok. And as you can see, we have an update. So just simply tap on update and make sure you are running the latest version to fix this issue. Now, if it still doesn't work, just simply go ahead and go to the settings on your phone. And from here on the settings, just simply go ahead and scroll down. And from here, just tap on apps. And after that, just simply go ahead and go find TikTok over here. And after that, just simply tap on it. And from here, guys, just simply tap on storage over here. And from here, just simply tap on clear cache. And from here, just tap on clear data as well and tap on OK. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue and it will reset the TikTok application. And now, another option that you have is just simply go ahead and go back. And after that, just simply tap on uninstall over here and just simply reinstall your TikTok application into your device. So now, another option that you have is just simply go back and go to the settings again and just simply go to the connections over here. And after that, guys, just simply make sure you are connected to an internet connection and just simply turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on to restart your connection. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!